Good morning, children. Let us see the formation of small alphabets A to Z. When you go to higher classes, you will be using this small letters only, no, for everything. Okay. Now, shall we start? You will practice daily. Okay. Small A, make a C, go up, come down, and a small tail. A. A says A. Standing line, go back, and a tummy. Small B. B. Half circle, C. K. Make a C, go up, come down standing line, and a small tail, D. D says D. And small sleeping line, go up and make a half circle, E. E sounds E. Walking stick, sleeping line, F. F says F. Make a circle, go down, monkey tail, G. G, G, G. Standing line, go back, and one bumper T, H. H, H, H. Standing line, and a small dot on the top, I. I sounds A. I sounds A. Standing line, and a monkey tail, and a small dot on the, small dot on the top, J. J, J, J. Standing line, and a M and a K, K. K, K, K. This is K, this is K. Okay. Standing line, L. L, L, L. Standing line, go back, one bumper T, go back, another bumper T, M. M. Standing line, go back, one bumper T, N. Oval, O, O, O. Standing line, and a tummy on the top, P. And here, make a circle, go down standing line, and a kick, Q. K, K, Q. Standing line, go back, and a small turn, R. Make a C, take a turn, S. Standing line, and a hockey stick, and a small sleeping line, T, T, T. Make a lumper T, come down, and a small tail, U. U, umbrella. Okay. Slide, go up slant, V. V, V, V. Slide, go up slant, slide, go up slant, W. Woo, woo, W. Wolf, wool. Okay. Small slide, and a slant over it, X. X, X, X. Small slide, and a big slant, Y. Yeah, yeah, Y. Small sleeping line, slant, and sleep, Z. Z, Z, S. Okay. Practice this daily until you have to go to senior KG. After that, you will be writing daily all the words. Okay. Practice nicely. Bye bye.